This video will cover the Preferences panel. After importing and setting up your tournament, the next step will be to set up the preferences for your tournament. The preferences are set on the Preferences panel. When you open the Preferences panel, you will notice that most of the objects are grayed out and are not available. This is because the preferences are locked. You must unlock the preferences each time you access the Preferences panel. AutoBracket's default preferences can be changed to match the way you run your tournament. You can tell AutoBracket whether you are grouping your wrestlers by grades or by ages. You can tell AutoBracket the maximum number of mats that you will be using, and you can tell AutoBracket how you want the brackets assigned to the mats. Once you have those preferences set, you can begin to set up each group's settings. To do so, just double click on each group one at a time and use the Update Group dialog box to make the adjustments. You should set up the group's name, you should set the minimum and the maximum grade if you are grouping by grades, or the minimum and maximum age if you are grouping by age, and the default bracket type for the group. Then set the maximum power rating differential and the maximum weight difference. Next, you can create a list of the mats to be used by the group if necessary, and if desired, you can select a bracket number prefix and or suffix. This process needs to be completed for each group. You can delete groups or add additional groups by using the Add Group or Delete Group buttons. At the bottom of the Preferences panel, there are some additional controls that allow you to customize AutoBracket. The first allows you to substitute the word school for the word club, and that would show up on your brackets and your reports. The second allows you to turn on or off the mat assignment options. The third allows you to turn on or off the optional bout numbering panel. After these preferences are set, you are ready to enter data or to import data.